With this free indicator, this trader is making up to $200,000. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can also use this free indicator to make thousands of dollars in the forex market, drive a Lamborghini, G-Wagon, living in a big mansion. From all the free indicators, this is actually one of the top 3 indicators that you can actually use to win each and every day, and it's much simpler than you think. So with gold, first you have to understand that gold most of the time is actually moving up. You can actually see right here from where the market starts here to where it is right now on the monthly time frame that gold overall is actually going up. So that means when you find buy trades with this actual indicator, you must go full margin, because if you have a higher chance to actually win when gold is going up than when gold is actually going down. So to know when exactly to buy, look right here, you can see where gold is actually going down. And if you look at this actual gold volume, you can see right here where it suddenly shoot up just before it actually tend to go up. And if you look at the actual candle which actually formed this big spike in volume, you can see this actual candle. So what you need to do is actually put a horizontal line exactly at the low of this actual candle, because this will be a support that you can actually use going on forward to actually buy and also take profit if you're in a sell trade. So for you to know if you're going to buy at this actual support level, you look when the candles are actually going down like this, look at the volume. If you see that volume is actually decreasing candle after candle while it is approaching this actual level, just know that gold very soon is about to turn. So from this actual second candle and also this actual rejections, as soon as they are touching this actual support level, you can actually enter a buy trade and hold the trade all the way to the top here. So you exit right at the top here, because this also with the previous spike actually happened. So this will actually act as a resistance level that you can actually use to enter, because if you look at the volume as gold is actually going up, you can actually see that the volume is actually decreasing, which means this will be a strong resistance where gold will actually turn and start to go down. Now when gold is going down also, this actual support level will also be your next take profit level. So this actual free indicator, you can know exactly where to enter buy trades and also when to exit, and actually enter the opposite trade where you can also exit right at the bottom here. Everything is there. Now when gold is at the bottom here, you can see a big spike which also happened exactly on this actual candle. So this will also be a new level to also mark a new support level where gold actually showing you that this actual level can be a potential new support level. If gold breaks it, this will be a resistance level, but if gold comes back to this actual level, this can also act as a support level. So just by using this gold volume indicator, you now have exactly where to enter buy trades and also where to take your profit, and you can actually see trade after trade. You can actually enter and win each and every trade as gold is going up and also when it's going down, and then when it's going back up also, you can actually win on each and every trade. Then there's also another way to know when gold is going to pass through all the support levels, and I'm going to show you in the next few seconds. So if you look right here at the bottom, you can actually see there's a big spike in volume right at this actual candle. So as gold is above this actual level, this will be our support level. Let's mark this actual level using a horizontal line. Then when gold was actually going up like this, you can also see another big spike right around here, and that happened exactly on this actual candle. So we're also going to mark the low of this actual candle as a support level or a level where you can actually enter trades. And this horizontal line that we have right here is a spike that we had before. So now using what I've just shared with you before, when you see that gold is actually going up, approaching a resistance level, and you see that volume is actually decreasing as it's approaching this actual level, that means this will be a level that you can actually enter a sell trade on. But the difference with this actual trade is that once you enter the trade right here, as gold is starting to go down, you can actually see that the volume is also increasing. That means every time volume is increasing, it also means that previous support levels are going to be broken. So at previous support levels, this now turns into places where you can actually add more trades. Once you hit a trade right here, when it gets down here and the volume is actually increasing steadily like this, you can also add more trades right here and also add more trades right here, so that when gold now gets to the bottom here, you will not be deep in profits over 200k, just like what this actual billionaire trader is doing. Now you can have a beautiful BMW, go to Dubai, drive a Lamborghini and a G-Wagon, while you are living living in a beautiful mansion using this top free indicator, which can tell you exactly where to enter, sell trades, and also when exactly to exit. But if you want to know how you can turn a $100 account into over $48,000 using a very simple growth strategy, watch the video right here. You'll be surprised with what happened using another powerful free indicator. And if you have any questions or you want help with forex trading, comment below, or you can go down in this video description. There are links there which can actually help you to grow as a forex trader. This is Mobile Forex. See you on the next video.